I have two favorite products from Wavytalk. This steam-based hairbrush straightener has become one of my favorite go-tos when my hair is already dry. You simply to activate the steam, and it's just a brushing system. The one thing that is a little bit interesting in this is these are very hard, and that's so that the steam can come through. What I really like about this Wavytalk is it's got more of a natural hairbrush effect. So it gets the same straightening like this, but it does have the hair drying function as well. So it's all in one. I can get out, hair dry, and straighten my hair at the same time. It does have a little bit of sound to it, high, medium, low, and the cool shot. So once you use the other attachments with the curling that I'll show in a second, it does help lock those in place. But I wanted to show you my three favorite attachments and how I use them. On the days that I like straight hair, I like this brush. Again, if you can brush your hair, you can use it. I'll show this one.
You can't hear a word I'm saying here, but basically I'm saying I'm going over this with dry hair, but it does return a little bit of the shine to it, and it's so super easy to use. You can see the result of less of the frizz as I'm just going over this with already dried hair.
So as you can see, it does just pull a little bit of that straightening, and I have some frizz reduction. If I kept going around to the back, you would see a little bit more of that. And it's just a great way for me to touch up dry hair or to fully dry wet hair. On this side, I'm gonna show you more of the round brushes. I would say from my experience, you've got three different brush styles depending on what you like. So this is the most similar to a traditional brush. This is your combination blowout brush. So it has the more firm, soft touch bristles, and then it has the really thin ones as well. I don't know if you can see the difference, the tall with the combination. So it really does that solid brush out or salon feel when you're drying your hair and can round those edges. This is only the super thin. So again, it's a very different textured brush, but it's great for your curving. So you've got a very traditional brush, you have a combination oval shaped brush, and you've got your round brush. I'm gonna use this round one to show you how I can add some curl volume on this side. Switching between them is very easy. There's a release mechanism on the back. You just push down, turn, and pop it off. You can put this in your storage area, and then you put the new attachment, whatever you like, back on. Push down, twist, it locks into place, and you're good to go. So on this side, I'm gonna do a little bit more of curling. I'm gonna give some volume out, and you're gonna be able to see the difference between what the straightening attachment did, more brush style, and what this more softer rounding brush can do to add a different type of volume. So you can see now I have the straightening side versus I have a lot more volume in here. I have a lot more of the fullness. It did some of those wavy curls for me. I have very long hair, but I have just a lot more volume all around on this side, and this side gave me that nice straight sleek look. And I love having the flexibility of one tool to have both looks. Hope that helps.